vamos a dedicar con el Ángel López. Este tema para los amigos.
Y a Manuel.
A Manuel también.
A Manuel también.
Tiene prohibido tocar él.
No, por favor. No voy a destruir la música.
On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. Then she stood in the doorway. I had the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her money's Tiffany twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys she calls friends. How the dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance you remember, some dance you forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. And he said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling, the pink champagne on ice. And she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. And in the master's chambers, they gather for the feast. They stop it with the steely knife, but they just can't